Hi guys, welcome back to another video on the channel. Now today I'm going to be showing you guys how to download BADLION Client on your laptop, your desktop, whatever you want to download it on. And basically it's pretty simple. So we'll just delete these just so I can do a step by step. So you're just going to want to say, like, in search, like something like this, BADLION Client. Alright, so you search that up and make sure you click the one that says like client.badlion.net. Like, make sure not to press any like these ones, or because they mightn't be fully reliable. So make sure you go onto the trusted proper website. And when you get to this website, there'll be a tab called download, and you click that. It should be on it by default, and you click whichever download resembles you. So if you're on Linux, you obviously click the Linux download. If you're on Mac, you obviously click the Mac download, if I can speak properly. And of course, if you're on Windows, which I think most of you are, you click the Windows download. So you press download and then you press recommended download. Now I'm not going to download it because I already have it downloaded. So when you download it, you'll like have to click like agree and all that good stuff. So like agree, install, all that stuff, like normal whenever you install something. And then you might have, and then it'll download a couple things. Like, it might take a while depending on how good your internet is, and then you'll get onto this page after you create your account and stuff. You'll get onto this page, which is like the client, and when you like press your settings and click play, it will have to download like the game and like its own like features that it has. So it might take like, I have decently fast internet and it did take a while, so if you have slow internet it might take a couple of minutes, maybe like 10-20 minutes. So don't worry about that, it's completely normal. So after you click play, mine is running right now, you will get this screen. So you're on BADLION Client right now. So we're just going to drag through all this, and here we are. We're in the BADLION Client. So you have single player, multiplayer, cosmetics, all this good stuff. So we're going to play multiplayer. And when you click multiplayer, make sure to say allow access to this, because this allows BADLION to access like servers and stuff. So we're going to click login to Hypixel. And if you click right shift here, you'll get a list of mods. Now you'll get graphics, mods that you can use, like animations, armor status, auto friend, auto GG, auto text, auto tip, all this good stuff. So block info, block overlay, boss bar, chunk borders, if you really want that, chat, CPS, clear glass, clear water, combo counter, all these good things. And then that's basically BADLION Client. Now I personally prefer Lunar Client, but I think BADLION does have better mods. Like in Bed Wars, it has like Bed Wars timers, so you can like see after like how long the game has been running and when the next event is. So that's really nice. There's some things this has that Lunar Client does not have, but personally I use Lunar Client. I might get into BADLION Client, I never know, but you guys came here to see how to download BADLION Client, and I just showed you guys. So go download it down below. I'll leave a link down below in the description below if you do want to subscribe, or if you do want to click the link and install. And what I meant was, while you're down there clicking that link, you might press the subscribe button, and if you do, please press that too. Or if you don't want to click the link, maybe just go down and subscribe as well if you really want to. And while you're down there too, click the like button. Why not? You're there already, and it only takes a couple of seconds, and it really helps me out. So thank you guys for watching this video. I really hope this helped you out. Some people just don't know these things, and I'm here to show you guys. So that's how you download BADLION Client. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.